This is Miss Scarlett, our truck, and she drives our house around the country. We're currently parked at Fallbrook RV in Houston. Miss Scarlett needs a little TLC today, so I'm going to replace her air filter. And the air filter lives right there. Miss Scarlett is a 2021 Chevy 3500 quad cab dually diesel, and she's got almost 50,000 miles on her. So this is her second air filter, and I imagine this one will be plenty dirty by the time we get it out and get her fixed up for a nice clean air going forward. This is not a super complex process, but for those of you who have never done it, all you need is a long screwdriver or a drill with an extension if you don't have a long screwdriver. There are a total of 5 screws in here. And once you get them out, you just pull it up, and there you go. Here is the very dirty filter. You can see it's got about 25,000 miles on it. I do have a new one right here. I will open this one. You can see the color difference. Not rocket science to figure out which one's the old one. Oh, it's considerably heavier as well with all the dirt in there. But once you remove the old one, slip the new one in there. And see it just like that. And this goes back in. A handy tip on this screw, don't take it all the way out of the plastic because it's very difficult to get back in there as far as lining it up. So then once you get it set back down, then just replace the 6 screws. All of these items are plastic except for the screws, so do not over tighten them or you risk breaking the housing. Don't drop it like that or you got to go find it. Fortunately, we're on concrete and not grass, so it's super easy to find. And not counting the time required to pick up and replace the screw that I dropped, is literally a 5-minute job. I guess I should point out that you're probably going to need a step ladder unless you're 9 feet tall, because this is too tough to access from the ground, which is where I'm standing now, and I'm 6 feet tall and I'm not anywhere near tall enough to get in there and work on this engine. So we'll close it up. Good to go. Miss Scarlett's ready to go for another 25,000 miles.